Hey guys, I'm Alan with Peaceful Patios. Today we're going to be installing a modern fiberglass louvered pergola. We're going to go from taking the pieces out of the crate to see what that looks like all the way to the finished product. So this is the rafter or louver support beam, and you can see that there's a large bracket at this end, and there's another large bracket just like it on the other end of this piece. This bracket will fit into this header beam, and these smaller brackets will be used to hold the louvers. You can see the louvers here. These brackets extend all the way down the beam, and when it's time to put the louvers on, we will use this notch to slide over these brackets and then attach the screws there. At the top of the heavy-duty anchor, there's a space that receives this threaded rod. This will be used to attach the top plate to the top of the column to secure it. It will also run to the top of the beam.
4 3/4 from the outside, 4 3/4 from the outside. This will be the top hole, 5/8. Same 4 3/4 from the outside, 4 3/4 inch 3/4 hole saw.